Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in this video, we got the updates and recaps, starting off with the updates. So as you know, every year now is Mamba Day. So we do have Mamba Day coming in August. So what we're looking at right now is a picture of Kobe 9 Halo. This is rumored to be dropping on Mamba Day. As you see, the Halo edition does feature all white. It does come with that synthetic upper fly knit matched with synthetic overlays and is printed over the Kobe Stealth logo. The shoe debuted back in 2014 and it's coming back out again this year, supposedly on Mamba Day. This is the Kobe 9 Elite Protro. Let us know if you're rocking Kobe's and are you rocking the Jordan 9. Overall, this is a clean colorway. It does look like the Kobe 6, a low edition, except for this is a high. It does feature pretty much predominantly all white shoe. It does have that white midsole with those black hits on it. It does have that white Nike swoosh on the side. Overall, this is a clean shoe. It does have a high retail price of $240. I'm not sure what the originals did cost back in the day, but this is set to release again on Mamba Day sometime in August. The Kobe 9 Elite Protro Halo. Let us know what your thoughts about these sneakerheads. Are you rocking these or dropping these? So
Yes,
moving
sir.
on to the Jordan recaps. These are the shoes that came out from the 23rd to the 29th of June. Go and start us off, my brother.
So on June 25th, we did have the Air Jordan 13s in red. Price point for those were $210. And according to Nike.com, men's sizes from 7 to 14 are still available. Once again, sizes 7 to 14 are still available according to Nike.com. And the only reason why they still available because of that price point. Boy, come on, Jordan Brand. We got to make sense what we're doing here. That price point of 210, then you wonder why sales are down. Hey, drop us a comment down below. Either you agree or disagree. But that price point of 210, really? Come on, Jordan Brand. We got to do better. We must do better, right?
Yeah, we know that all the Jordan 13s do go under resale value. They usually tend to drop about 150 on StockX. So Jordan Brand, we may want to have to look at this price point for these shoes and maybe just start coming and selling them out at 160 from the get-go. So if y'all want to continue to rock Jordan Brand, you're gonna have to work with us if you want to support you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and you guys continue to love content like this. Hey, check out that video right there.
Like we say for sure when you're blessed.
Hey, bless others.
Peace.